the goose nuisance.
Nuisance. Something was someone who is annoying. Okay.
Nuisance.
Okay.
The goose nuisance. Most of the animals at
Shuttlebug.
Farm had been raised there, but Jasper, the horse,
Dora,
the cow, and
Harriet,
the chicken had all lived on other farms before they were taken to Shuttlebug.
Broke. Okay, broke. Like a string. Broke. No. Why?
Secrets.
Yeah. There's a broke. Okay, broke. Okay.
That's why they knew better than all the other animals how special Shuttlebug.
Okay. What's this?
Nuisance.
Good.
Nuisance.
Yeah, here is a
one that is annoyed.
Okay.
One that is annoyed.
Annoying. Weeds
are a nuisance to the
gardener. Okay. What is that? Brook. Okay.
Brook.
A small
stream.
Brook. Brook.
Okay, then another word is shadow. Okay. Yeah, you see that's a shadow, right? You stand here, this shadow is on the ground. You see this person stand here, a shadow on the ground. That's shadow. Okay. What is shadow? What kind of? Anyway. Shadow. Let's name another word. Shadow.
Shadow.
Okay. This the name of the farm is called a Shuttlebug.
Farm was.
Okay. That's why they knew better than all other animals how special Shuttlebug farm was.
The farmer at Shuttlebug farm loved her animals and showed by giving them the best care
Possible.
She organized
the
farm so that even over every animal slept well and had enough dinosaurs.
No. Had enough.
Delicious food.
Good.
Enough.
They had
enough delicious food to eat.
Jasper,
Jasper,
the horse. Dora,
Dora,
the cow. Okay, let's name the Dora. I don't know if Dora. Yeah, the Dora. What's going on? Let's keep, yeah. I don't know what's this.
Dora.
Dora.
Dora, okay, Dora. Okay, Dora is the cow. Okay, the cow. Jasper is the horse. Okay, Jasper,
Dora, and
Harriet.
Toss or trusted
Good.
that their
Beloved. Okay, beloved. It's adjective. Beloved. What?
shadow.
Good.
Shadow.
Okay.
Beloved.
Adjective.
Okay.
Stop.
Okay.
Very much loved.
Okay.
My own beloved mother.
Grandmother. Okay. Beloved. Okay. Can spell
Beloved. Beloved.
Okay. Beloved. Okay. Her beloved cat sleep. Okay.
Her beloved cats.
Beloved.
Her beloved cat sleeps in its own little bed.
Okay. Beloved.
Beloved.
Okay. Okay. Jasper, Dora, and Harriet trusted that they
Beloved farmer would always make the best choices to keep them all safe and
safe. Note her.
safe
Keep them all
safe and happy.
good.
That is still until she
Who the she? She is the owner, the farmer. Brought.
well
Yeah, past tense of by. Brought Webster.
Webster into the picture. Webster was on Snow White goose.
Good. What's
Goose.
OO sound?
Ooh,
Yeah.
goose with a bright orange beard.
Beak, okay. The beak. You see the bird that have the beak, like the mouth. That's a beak. It's a beak. Okay. Okay, has a bright orange beak.
At first,
Maybe we learned this. I think you learned this one. At first,
he didn't seem so bad, but then he opened his mouth.
oh, I don't know how to say that word. What's that?
Beloved.
beloved,
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 beloved. Adjective. And I love,
Enough.
her beloved cat.
Okay. Honk.
Honk.
Stupid honk.
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 Okay. You see the cry of a goose.
Cry of a goose.
Honk.
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 Yeah. Honk. It's too slow. Honk. Okay.
Honk. 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 At first,
Harriet.
Harriet.
What is Harriet? Harriet is a chicken. Yeah.
Harriet thought that website
Webster.
Webster was just making noise because he was new and a little bit
Scared.
Scared, but she is
Okay. Look at that honk. Look at this. I want to hear the real honk.
This video explains the word honk in 30 seconds. Ready? Let's begin. Illustrations. Meaning. Honk is a sound made by a car horn. Pronunciation.
Okay, honk. Okay, the goose makes the kind of honk sound. Okay.
But no, it quickly became clear that Webster just loved to honk.
Good. Goose like to make the noise. That's a nuisance. Okay.
Wherever new humans visited the farm, Webster honked at them. When Webster saw another bird in the sky, there on it came. Honk, honk, honk. Pretty
Yeah.
soon.
Pretty means very soon. Okay.
Pretty soon, the farmer's golden
retriever. Okay, what is a golden retriever? I think it's golden retriever. What's this? I try to figure out it. No. Is that dog? What kind of dog? It's
honk,
Honk.
honk,
Honk.
honk,
Honk.
honk. One
Yeah.
verb.
Okay.
Make the
Characteristic.
cry of a goose.
Okay. Retriever.
So
Golden retriever. Yeah.
retriever,
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 retriever.
Okay.
A dog that is used
For retrieving
birds or animals that have been
shot
by
Hunter.
Hunter.
Okay, hunter shoot a bird or animal. The dog just run there to get it. Okay, that's retrieval.
Retriever.
Retrieval.